In this video, I'm going to show you the meaning of the various codes on your boarding pass. While some of these codes can be insignificant, the others can alter your flight experience entirely. The first code is SSSS. This means Secondary Security Screening Selection. It simply means that you have been selected randomly for security screening. So ensure to budget at least 40 minutes so that you don't miss your outbound or connection flight. Number 2, STBY, WL, or GTE. These codes mean standby, wait list, or gate assignment. This means that you have not been assigned a seat yet, and you are either on standby, wait list, or the airline staff will have to assign you a seat at the gate. And this happens a lot if the flight is overbooked. The next code is DOCS RAQ or ADOC or DOCS. It simply means that you need to show extra documents at the boarding gate before you are allowed to board. The next code is SEQ and INVOL. This one can destroy your flight experience. Sometimes you do see videos like this.
I deserve help. I paid fucking money for a ticket. Do you want to help me or not?
Passengers are fighting at the airport or inside the aircraft, and they are angry because they were removed from the flight because the flight was overbooked. This is what a lot of passengers don't realize. Now, SEQ means sequence. It means the sequence at which you checked in. If your number is SEQ 0001, it simply means that you were the first to check in. Now, this is very important because airlines always overbook their flights. If a flight is 240 passengers, the airline can book 250 passengers. The reason is they know that for the most part, based on historical data, a lot of passengers don't just show up. Either they cancel their flight, they change their plans, or they miss their flights, or somebody passed on, and so much more. So overbooking the flight helps them to recover those losses. But what happens in cases when all the passengers show up at the airport?
Due to an overbooking, we're looking for one volunteer to take the next flight out tomorrow, and in exchange, $750.
This is where SEQ is very important. So what the airlines now do is that they will look through their sequence list. Now, passengers with high SEQ numbers means they checked in late, and passengers who do not have it at all means they did not check in at all. Those are the passengers that usually get bumped to a different flight. And let me tell you the truth, airlines have legal rights to bump a passenger to another flight if the flight is overbooked, even if you have a confirmed reservation for that flight. So by the time you see INVOL on your boarding pass, it means you are being involuntarily booked on the next flight, even though you paid for this current one. So the antidote for this is once check-in starts, immediately it's 24 hours to your boarding, your check-in starts, ensure you check in immediately online. And finally, PNR, which is your passenger name record. That is that series of numbers that appear as your reservation number. It carries your personal information that is connected to your flight. Now, this is my advice. No matter how sweet that trip is, you must never post pictures showing your PNR or that barcode on your boarding pass. Anybody that sees that barcode or PNR can be able to access your booking online, and they can get your information and even cancel your flight. So take note of this and share this video with as many persons as possible.